Hey guys, so today is Greta's 16th birthday. If you don't know who that is, it's my little sister. Teen, do you want to be in the vlog? You're probably going to be today anyway.
I look like trash though.
No, we both do anyway. So basically we've like run errands all day. I kind of didn't know that I was going to film this until now, but we ran errands. We got her balloons and her cake came. What else? Yeah, we just ran errands today, and so this is the setup for now. I'll show you. I'll put like fairy lights all here, and it's a little 60
of the weights
rose
actually,
gold.
because they're too close together.
I think it's fine. So we got the
find
little
something
16
else.
balloons, and obviously this living room. I was gonna get a banner, but the banners looked really tacky. But this is really pretty. Okay, I'm also gonna show you guys the cake, and me and Tina are gonna make we're making like American food. This is my setup, by the way, if you guys have never seen it. We're gonna make her American food for her birthday. So I'm gonna make corn dogs and mozzarella dippers, and Tina's gonna make her Tina's gonna make her mac and cheese. So we ordered the cake online, like not online, but like from some bakery. Oh, we got her like sparklers as well. But this is the cake. It's literally beautiful, and it just came to our door like an hour ago. I'll show you. Okay, so by the way, don't mind the cladding and stuff outside. This is her cake. Ew. I'll show you guys that when we actually use it. But look, it says happy birthday Greta, and it's got like, I think it's macaroon, it's got mini Oreos, it's got rollers, Maltesers, donuts. It looks so good. But yeah, obviously it says to keep it out of the fridge, so that's what I'm doing. So we kind of just need to get started on making the food. Okay, so you guys are gonna basically do like a cook with me. This is obviously a cheat day for me, but can't wait. I'd rather make this stuff myself. Obviously,
no, you're not leaving.
Obviously, I'm gonna get ready and stuff for her birthday, but like I'm not gonna put makeup on just to make food. But then what we're gonna do is we're prepping the food, and then we're gonna make the food like, because we're making corn dogs. They're not gonna be nice if they're cold. So it's around 12:30ish now, and she gets home around 4. Probably gonna make the food around 5, 6ish. So I'm just gonna prep all the food now. We're gonna try and do like a 2-angle thing, you know. Guys, okay, so she's made the mozzarella dippers. We're gonna put them in the fridge. Now it's my turn. I've got a couple of things. Basically, we're each making 2 things. So I'm making corn dogs. I'm gonna just get rid of Tina's mess because she's literally the messiest cook. Arancini is basically little rice balls with like some stuff inside. Usually it's with bolognese, but I can't be asked to make that, so we're gonna just make them with cheese, and you cover in breadcrumbs and fry it. So we've got nice sticky rice here. I'm going to just take some arancini, some rice. I'm just going to put it in the middle and just try and form it somehow over the bowl, obviously, because this either can go really well or really bad. So like, that doesn't look too bad, right? I'm just going to put this ball in the and get some breadcrumbs in. And then in breadcrumbs,
And then Nigella.
Mum,
Yes.
can you get me another plate for this? That looks cool,
That's
right?
so good. You are good.
So this is my first one. What are you doing?
I'm gonna...
Arancini done. I think I'm gonna put these in the freezer. I don't know, Team, what do you think? In the freezer or the fridge for these arancini? The fridge. Okay. I'm gonna use this cup and just go off a cup like this. So it says 1 cup all-purpose flour, which I learned is just plain flour, guys. So don't be fooled. It's the same shit. Okay, that's a cup, so I'm just gonna put that in. Okay, it says yellow cornmeal. Is this the same shit? I don't think so.
Corn flour and cornmeal aren't the same thing. You
Mum said they
idiot.
are.
They're not.
They're gonna use corn flour instead.
No, it's not the same. Corn flour is for thickening things. Cornmeal. Just thinks she knows.
Luckily, we have an Albanian household here, so we always have cornmeal. Yeah, this says cornmeal, mum.
I know what I'm talking about. I'm not stupid.
I was thinking because I was like, it says yellow. I'm like, that's definitely not like. Don't get corn flour. Get
But we can actually
cornmeal.
use the corn flour later. Let's try one.
Okay, 1 cup cornmeal. Sorry, going in.
I'm gonna wrap the whole
Salt, pepper, sugar, and baking powder. Mom, tell me we have baking powder. Okay, a 1/4 teaspoon. I've got my measurements here. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yes, sir. Okay, 1/4.
I'm not gonna lie.
What? Wait, that looks nice. We're wrapping them in thingy. But bear with, I'll show you. An eighth.
I'm gonna wrap them like this as well.
An 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Well, we're gonna use white pepper because we ain't got time for that shit.
Wait, we've only got 10 cheeses.
Uh-oh, that's because I thought it was 10 hot dogs.
It's okay, Tina to the rescue.
We have and a 1/4 cup of white sugar. Do we have that? Yes, we do. Okay. I didn't really put sugar in it. Are you sure that's right? Okay, I'm gonna follow it.
He sounds like Rachel and she's making the British stuff.
Literally.
They make like mince pies and stuff, so this sounds about right.
Literally, but American people are kind of weird. No offense. Okay, that looks like a 1/4 cup to me, so. That is a lot. I'm not gonna put all of that. American people trying to give me a heart attack out here. Okay. And 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, crisis, I'll come back when I find the baking powder.
That's mad.
Okay, guys, my mum's popped into the shops. We found some, but there's no way there's 4 teaspoons in here.
You have to. What's it like?
What?
Smash the like button for mom going to the shops.
For mum going to the shops.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay,
smash
so
the-
this is half. And subscribe. And mum's gonna go to the shops and save the day. Okay, so there's 2 teaspoons in there. But I'm gonna need more, so we have to wait now. By the way, guys, just to show you what she's doing.
We've also had a bit of a dilemma, so we've only got 10 of these cheese slices.
If I knew I'd have got the 20 pack, but I don't think that we were gonna cut them in half.
Well, here we are. So, but what we're doing is I am cutting these cheese slices in half. All I'm doing
How it becomes like that.
is I'm pushing it out. I mean, you should be using a rolling pin, but I don't have one because we don't have anything at home because we're all sad. So I'm literally just pushing it out. And then you just take your hot dog and you put it on here. And you just do a little bit of sushi wrapping. So we've got a bit of cheese going on. Like this. Here we are. And that's one.
Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I'm back, and my mum brought the baking powder.
Yeah, mom saved the day.
Mum saved the day, obviously. Okay, so Tina, you didn't put anything in, yeah? Okay. No, I just thought maybe you did it. Okay. So just gonna measure out another 4 of these half teaspoons because apparently there's not teaspoon on here. What else is there? 1 cup of milk and 1 egg. 1 egg, does it mean like a large egg or?
God only knows.
Okay. Oh, let's hope for the best. So here's 1 cup of milk. Where's the eggs? These are mixed eggs. I'm gonna just hope this is enough. Doesn't say medium, large, anything. I think in America they have 1 size egg, so. Here we don't. We're just gonna hope for the best.
Our chickens can do what they feel.
Yeah, like they. good, like, because it's like I've seen them be done before and it's like a thick batter, but it's not like, it's not runny, but it's not like, just transferring it to a cat. I'm trying to do this neatly. Oh god. Okay, I've got a bit too much, so I'm just gonna leave this in here for now. I'm gonna cover this batter and this batter. Guys, ideally use foil or cling film, but we're trash in this family, so. Okay guys, so as you saw, we prepped the food. We're gonna come back when, I'll probably film myself getting ready, like a little bit. But we're gonna come back when we make food. I'm gonna get ready because I don't have that long left, because they're gonna go pick her up and we need to be ready by the time she gets back. I'm gonna do something natural, but what I'm gonna do is just start with a base. I'm just gonna use my NARS concealer for my eyes. I don't know if I want a foundation. I haven't really been wearing foundation recently, but we're just gonna see. Like, we're gonna go with the flow, you know. I want to see it's in that and that and that. I'm just gonna use the Civ X palette because it's got everything inside it. I can't be asked to use so many. Okay, I'm just gonna take like a transition-y shade, just mix these two. I'm gonna take this Colourpop eyeshadow, Super Shock shadow in the shade Weenie. It's like a rose gold, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna take with my finger, that's the best way to use these. And just pack it on. I think this one's kind of dried out, I'm not gonna lie, but. But for now, this is it. I'm gonna put some concealer on now. I'm just gonna use that same NARS concealer and just pop it. I'm gonna take my highlight brush and I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty. Basically it's small because I can't find it, the lip gloss in my bag. But I got this like set in Sephora and it's like a mini highlighter and her mini, what's it called, gloss bomb? Something like that. But the reason I got it is because I wanted her highlighter, the Hustler Baby and whatever one, but I only like the Hustler Baby shade. And then at the till was this, and that the package said this with the lip gloss together. And I was like, first of all, perfect, because I really only wanted this shade. It's the pretty one, so win-win situation for me. I got the lip gloss and this, and I wanted both anyway. It's just so pretty. Like, it's literally stunning. I just felt like the other side wasn't really that pigmented, and I didn't want to like spend so much money on it just for liking one side. But here we go, I got my money's worth because I got the one side that I wanted. I didn't even put foundation or anything.
Very simple look.
Do you want to highlight me up? It's like flat brush, in case you know.
Get ready with me.
They're getting ready with me, not you, hun. I just take this like Maybelline flat brush.
When you have
like
no top lip.
Maybe we need to get lip fillers again.
It's not even that I don't have a top lip. I want everyone to see this, so.
Okay guys, I've kind of been, wait, I want to say something. I've kind of been open about this. Like, I do get lip fillers. Obviously, they're like gone down now. But like, I want to know if you guys would like to see, because we're going to go soon, aren't we? Are we going like next month or something? So basically, we're going to either go at the end of this month or next month to get our lips done. But I just want to know, like, if you guys would want to see that. Like, I don't know if you lot are squeamish, or I don't know if there's some people out there that want lip fillers and they want to see like how it's done and stuff. But I just want you guys to let me know if you'd like to see something like that. I've really wanted to vlog it, but like there was one time I did it before my channel, I started my channel, but one time I did it after I started my channel. But I didn't vlog it because A, I didn't know if people were going to judge me, and B, I thought maybe people were too sensitive to that kind of stuff, so I just didn't. But I feel like, I don't know, like I feel like people don't care about that kind of stuff anymore. So if you guys want to see, let me know, because I really want to do it. I'm gonna take because I want like a dark lipstick and a light like a dark lip liner, light lipstick. I'm gonna take the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the shade Moon. This is it. I like never use Kylie lip kits on my channel, but I actually have quite a few. And I'm just gonna like kind of overline my lips because, as I said, I'm due for lip fillers. And I like to just put a bit of lip gloss on top to make it look even bigger, just mostly in the centre. That's how you fake big lips. Hey! Happy birthday!
Wait, start recording now.
Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. The food's not done yet.
Birthday.
Oh, you guys are singing.
I love you. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Your food's gonna be ready soon, birthday girls. You sit down, but
Yeah,
wait.
do you know how you wanted celebrations? I got celebrations.
Tea. Right.
Tixie.
First of all, she's gonna open her presents.
Is it a curling one?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I wanted to get you a thick one, yeah? So
Yeah.
yeah?
Gas.
You can use it now when you get ready for your dinner.
Oh, I'm.
From Mum and Dad.
That's
The
really
extra, the Amazon gift card, and then there's our cards as well from us. They're personal, so love you.
I love.
Okay, so I've just done my first one. I was too scared, but here they are cooking. This is the first arancini ball. I'm really proud. I feel like a proud little mother. Like, I feel like that looks good, you know. But there's
But I need to go back in the fridge.
yeah. Okay, we're gonna just keep cooking, and yeah, guys, it's going great. Look at the freaking corn dogs. They're turning out great. We got the arancini done. I had to make more batter because that was a disaster, but they're actually turning out really freaking well. Guys, okay, I kind of curled my hair a little bit. I didn't have time to do it all, so I'm just half up, half down. Okay, basically, we finished the food. We finished the food, and it literally looks like we ordered it in, but we made it. Okay. Guys, so we got corn dogs,
Guys,
mac and
you're on
cheese,
the picture as well.
mozzarella dippers, arancini. I made sriracha mayo. There's normal mayo, and there's capricans. Oh my god, it looks so good. Don't mind my lipstick, guys. I fail. How good is everything?
Great.
Good. Do you like it?
Love.
Literally everything turned out so
Me
good.
Fortnite is banned today.
Mukbang.
What? Me and Denise are gonna play?
No, it's banned. Nah, I got on the bus here. Some girl was talking.
All I need now is some bread.